When it comes to land surveying, topographical surveyors are indispensable. They are the ones that have to go out and perform surveys to learn everything there is to know about the landscape. Topographical surveyors, who can give trustworthy data for a wide range of building and improvement projects, are in high demand in the Chattarpur neighborhood of Delhi. In order to accurately plan and build infrastructure projects, surveyors employ cutting-edge technology to accurately measure and map the landscape, including its elevation, slopes, and contours. Established in Delhi, Scon Design focuses exclusively on topographical surveys in the Chattarpur region. Scon Design has built a solid reputation for itself because to the expertise of its staff of surveyors. Their topographical surveys are an essential resource for architects, engineers, and developers in the planning and execution of residential, commercial, and industrial projects alike. Numerous development projects are currently underway in Chattarpur, making it one of Delhi's most rapidly expanding neighborhoods. The successful planning and execution of construction projects of all kinds, from apartment buildings to office towers, require precise topographical surveys. The work of topographical surveyors in Chattarpur is crucial because of the need of having reliable information on the state of the land. One part of this approach is pinpointing anything that could end up becoming a problem during building. These experts reduce potential problems and make sure projects go off without a hitch by conducting comprehensive surveys. Topographical surveyors are essential members of the land surveying community. Their job is to go about and do surveys so that we may learn all about the terrain and physical characteristics of a place. A number of building and development projects in the Chattarpur area of Delhi require the services of qualified topographical surveyors. These surveyors make use of cutting-edge tools and methods to create accurate maps of the landscape, detailing factors like elevation, slope, and contour that are crucial to the design and planning of infrastructure projects. Scon Design is an established Delhi-based surveying firm with expertise in topographical surveys in the Chattarpur neighborhood. Scon Design has built a solid reputation on the backs of its clients thanks to its team of highly trained and experienced surveyors. Their topographical surveys are an integral part of the planning and construction process for residential, commercial, and industrial buildings alike, allowing architects, engineers, and developers to make educated judgments. There are several new buildings going up in the Chattarpur neighborhood of Delhi. Accurate topographical surveys are necessary for the efficient planning and construction of everything from residential developments to commercial high-rises. When it comes to giving reliable information about the state of the land in Chattarpur, topographical surveyors are indispensable. Among these is the